In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So at first, just open the list of all apps, open the settings then, and enter developer options. If you cannot find developer mode right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it and then smoothly open. Now you need to scroll a bit lower and locate auto system update. Mark the switcher to activate it, and from now on automatic system updates feature is active, and your updates will be applied whenever the phone restarts, obviously once available. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.